Aberystwyth University Fiction Award. Arrest me, for I have run away. Stevie Davis. Parthian.
Why choose to live in a ghetto, Suzanne? Dad bleated. I'd caught him in a ratty mood on account of the FTSE 100 index. You're a graduate now. You should be out in the marketplace, not fooling around doing another footling course with a Mickey Mouse name. Dawdling in a prolonged childhood. You could follow your sister into television. I'm sure BBC Manchester needs tea girls. And work your way up.
Sal. Mick Kitson. Canongate.
When I woke up, I started to worry straight away that it was 4 days since we ran, and this was the 4th day here, and they would definitely be looking for us all over. I think it was our 4th day here. I think they would have found more in the room by now, and she had a phone so she could phone out. But the room was locked from the outside and the key was on the carpet, and there was no way she could have killed Robert and then locked herself in there from the outside. So that proved she didn't do it.
West. Carys Davis. Granter.
In her opinion, he looked grand and purposeful and brave. In her opinion, he looked intelligent and romantic and adventurous. He looked like someone with a mission that made him different from other people. And for as long as he was gone, she would hold this picture of him in her mind. Up there on his horse, with his bags and his bundles and his weapons. Up there in his long coat and his stovepipe hat, heading off into the west. She did not have a doubt that she would see him again.